friends, this channel is devoted to creativity around the home and in the kitchen, and today is gonna be a special one. We're gonna paint together in the studio. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. It is day 20. We are 5 days away from Santa Claus coming to visit. So I'm hanging out in my studio this morning because I've got a custom job to do, a commission piece that I'm going to be working on. So back here there is a canvas, and in this video I figured today you guys could be a birdie on my shoulder, a little fly on the wall, a spider in the web in the corner, and just kind of get a sneak peek at what I do to bring this canvas to life. I had a husband reach out to me, like, top secret, okay? I'm telling you a secret. He messaged me and he's like, my wife loves your paintings and I'm wondering if I could commission you to do one, and she loves sunflowers. She's seen your work with sunflowers, and I'm like, heck yeah! So some shabby, beautiful sunflowers in a vase is what's on the menu today. So, sipping on the last little bit of my coffee before I get going, and I'm excited because I love the paint, if you haven't figured that out yet. I never wash my palette, so I love to just mix colors and keep it all going. I think I will eventually frame this one day. Can you imagine a whole set of just paint surfaces like this, paint palettes that have just all been framed? I think that would be beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna swivel around, get started, maybe play some music. My son Riley is in a band called Nox Imperium, and if you follow me on Facebook, you might have seen me do a little bit of a live showing you with some concerts that I've been to of his. If not, sit back because you're in for a treat. So, let's get painting.
She's staring straight down at me like I'm some set piece she won't release. Sits like a queen, yellow hair tied so lovely, will she set me free? Or is this fantasy? And then she takes me by the hand and leads me off into some land I've never ever been. And though I want to take her home, I'm scared in the morning I wake up alone. Santa Marie looks good in variety. She is so clean, beautiful scene, smiling and free, flying through my dreams. Touch me once please, help me release. And then she takes me by the hand and leads me off into some land I've never ever been. And though I want to take her home, I'm scared in the morning I wake up alone. Santa Marie questions my reality. Should she have a role in saving my soul? But I won't resist the temptation of a kiss. Nothing can deter now that I am hers. And then she takes me back.
Alright guys, I am done. We just gotta let this thing dry, and then I can put a nice coat of banana peel over the top of it. Oh, I love it. My shabby sunflowers. Finally a home again. Makes me so happy. If any of you guys out there watching this video will be like, boy, I would love to have you paint a painting for me, an original painting, all you gotta do is email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com and tell me what you love, what colors you love, the style flowers. Maybe if you've seen me do something before in the past, I would be more than happy to work with you. These fingers are ready for painting. All right, so we let it dry.
Fingers are ready for painting.
What's that?
That's what they'll do.
Yep.
One of these days, these fingers are gonna paint all over you.
Now say it louder so they can all hear you.
No.
Matt was over there singing his version of these fingers. Boots. Fingers were made for painting. Yes, and that is just what they'll do. Oh, I love it. I'm super, super happy with it. And remember what I always say, when you get it to a point where you're like, oh, I love it, then you know you've reached the good point. What do you think? Give me some hearts. Tell me what you think of the painting. All right. Painting is drying for me to finish up, and now it's that time of the video where I pop on, because it's Vlogmas, where we are video logging life 25 days straight all the way up to Christmas. We'll be on saying hello on Christmas as well. So yesterday I put up $20 in banana bucks for one lucky person who subscribed to our video, liked this video, and then left a comment below. And yesterday I asked the question of like, what you learned about ghee yesterday, right? On yesterday's vlog. And so I have a winner. The winner is Jody Spice of Life. That's her title here. Jody writes, what did I learn about ghee? Ha! Everything! Who knew it was that simple? Girl, those are precisely my thoughts. And that's why I'm glad we are all here so we can learn together. DIYs around the house and in the kitchen. So Jody girl, you know what you have to do. You have 24 hours to respond and to collect on those 20 big bananas. All you have to do is make sure you email me within the next 24 hours as of this video being posted at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com. I'll be looking for your email, and please put winner winner in the subject line, because you are that. You are a winner winner. You're all winners in my eyes. So, just to keep with the fun spirit, I'm throwing 20 more big bananas your way for somebody else. Let's do it again on repeat. 20 more big bananas, which is a credit that you can use, of course, online at junkmonkeypaint.com to pick up something that you need for your banana stash. You know what I'm saying? For your painter's kit, and pick up something that you love over there. So, we've got 20 big bananas up for grabs again on this video. Stay tuned tomorrow. You want to make sure you're checking back daily to see if your name was announced here over Vlogmas. And your question for today is, what is your favorite flower? I'd love to know what your favorite flower is. You saw me paint sunflowers today. Fun fact, my very first apartment I decorated in sunflowers. I love sunflowers. They're happy. They're happy and they're colorful and they're cheery, and sunflowers are just amazing. But I want to know, what is your favorite flower? Comment down below. And with that, our video is done. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the little bell so you never miss another upload. So much more fun coming your way. All right, guys. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. And don't forget to comment below, what is your favorite flower? Bye.